ready to level up your Shopify game and work seamlessly with others. First, let's set the stage. Collaborator Access allows you to assist a Shopify store owner without them handing over complete control, making it perfect for managing multiple businesses or getting involved in projects. The process all begins with an invitation from the store owner. The store owner needs to grant you access through their Shopify admin panel. You will then receive a notification, likely as an email, with a link to get started. Watch out for something like Shopify invitation or Collaborator invitation in your inbox. This email will tell you who invited you and to which store. Click that link in the email that will initiate the access request. You will be redirected to your Shopify account. If you aren't logged in, you'll be asked to log into your existing Shopify account, or you might be prompted to create an account. You'll then see what kind of access the shop owner has given you. Take a moment to review the permissions, so you know what you can and can't do on the store. You want to know what is within your purview. Once you're in, congratulations, you can start contributing. You'll be able to navigate around the admin panel based on the permissions the shop owner has set. This is how the Collaborator access process works. It's smooth and easy for efficient teamwork in Shopify.